time when you'd ask me why I write sad songs. I guess I knew this day would come. Each moment I felt it even stronger. There also was a time when I could hold you and show how much I love you. But times have changed since then, and you no longer here. Loving you is easy, leaving you is hard. It's not the smartest thing I've ever done. Someday I'm sure someone will mend my broken heart. But one thing's for sure, I'll leave this world loving you. Circumstances change, but some things remain the same, like feelings. And my feelings for you still remain the same, even though you're gone. I think about the dreams we planned together, never made come true. I wondered if they ever crossed your mind, 'cause in my dreams they do. Loving you is easy, leaving you is hard. It's not the smartest thing I've ever done. Someday I'm sure someone will mend my broken heart. But one thing's for sure, I'll leave this world loving you. One thing's for sure, I'll leave this world